frosted chair mat is made of very high quality PET material. It is nice because when it came in a box, and so it wasn't rolled up, and so it will lay completely flat. It is better than glass. It's not going to shatter, and it can hold 1,200 pounds on it without making it break. It's such high quality material, and it's super nice that it wasn't rolled, and so it is completely flat, ready to go. It is great for thick carpet because it is such nice high quality thick material. It just lays so flat. Desk chair mat is thickened and weighted, which means it won't move during use. It remains even flat on high pile carpets, ensuring office chairs roll smoothly and does not sink into the floor mat.